Hello friends, I have made an insulator and conductor checking machine. Now I will put it in water. The LED is glowing. The DC motor is a conductor and the water is also a conductor. Our teeth are also a conductor. And our skin is also a conductor.